guys, it's Beggars Night right now in Iowa, and yeah, it's Moxie Sisters here, and I'm Kat, and she's Kat, kinda, yeah, just in black, and then you ready to see my adorable little dogs? It's my little groom. Come on. He has a little hat and a little suit, and then here's the most adorable thing. Look at her! Look at her! She's a pumpkin! Yeah, she's a pumpkin! All the kids trick-or-treating. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. Yep, pretty amazing. Roxanne right here will videotape me giving out candy. Actually, we'll just put it right here. So.
Well, you don't. This is ridiculous. You're ridiculous. I don't. Aren't you hear us?
Yeah, I'm her cousin. Okay, so we have Chip and Misty.
Do you have a joke?
I don't have one this year.
That's okay.
What's the biggest football team? The Giants.
Oh, that's a good one. Okay, well, you guys can have...
Goodness.